guys, my name is Nurlan. I'm making wet cake today. Yes, begin. I need 3 egg, 1 glass powdered sugar, 5 gram vanilla, and blend. I add 1 pH glass milk, 1 glass flour, 1 pH glass butter, 2 spoon cacao, and 10 gram baking powder raw. And blend again. I add it to the oven at 108 degrees. I make sauce now. 100 gram powdered sugar, 1 glass milk, 1 teaspoon flour, 5 gram vanilla, 2 spoon cacao, half part pH glass butter, and blend. I cooking. I add the sauce on top. We make compote now. I collect reha. I'm washing tureyha. And add to dish. I add to dish according to taste, powdered sugar and lemon salt. And I boil. Now ready. Perfect.